Welcome. If you're tired of hearing that notification sound every time someone joins your stream or server on Discord, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to disable the viewer. Join notification sound in the Discord app on your PC, especially after the latest update. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your computer. You'll want to be logged into your account so you can access all your personal settings. Take a look at the bottom left corner of your Discord window. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to them is a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up the settings menu. Once you're inside the user settings, look for the notifications tab on the left sidebar. It's usually a little way down the list under the app settings section. Click on notifications to open up all your notification preferences. Now, you'll see a section labeled sounds. This is where Discord lets you customize which actions trigger notification sounds. Scroll through the list until you find Viewer Join. This is the sound that plays whenever someone joins your stream or server as a viewer. To disable it, simply toggle off the switch next to Viewer Join. When the switch turns gray, you'll know the sound is disabled. That's it. From now on, you won't hear that Viewer Join notification sound, so you can focus on your conversations or your gameplay without any interruptions. If you ever change your mind and want to turn the sound back on, just follow these steps again and toggle the switch back to on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.